Joining me now on the broadcast is Gopal Agarwal, national spokesperson of the BJP, Vijay Sardana, senior economist, and Imran Ahmad Ali, who's a lawyer and a political analyst. Pehla सवाल गोपाल कृष्ण अग्रवाल जी, why are you after our simple popcorn? थोड़े से तो pleasures बचे हैं life में.
देखिए, we have to understand that when the ingredients are same and the finished products are different because of different processing, and the finished products are attracting different GST rate, so that's only a clarification.
Sir, but a popcorn is a popcorn is a popcorn. It's the same corn that is being popped.
It was answered to a query, and when GST Council, what is GST Council? It is a federal structure where all the states come together and put up their requirement, assessment of opinion, etc. And then you have to clarify them. If in the end product is different and ingredients are same, end product is attracting different GST to rate, so that is only it's nothing. It's not a complication that the people are trying to make out. It is for all the products. If there is a steel and you are making a car, it's a different GST. If you are making something different on the process, some parts are made, and there is a complete input tax credit structure. Whatever GST you are inputting, you get a credit for that. So these are complicated tax compliances requirements.
Exactly. Why is it complicated? Wasn't GST marketed as good and simple tax? Wasn't that the whole premise? It doesn't seem to be simple to me at all as a consumer.
No, but if you look into isolatedly, you can discuss on this popcorn. But the thing is that it can be talked about everything. There are different end products which move through different processes. It's only, that's fine that it's on the popcorn, it's a simple process, but there are complicated processes. So GST is a structured law which will put the structure on every process. And in that process, there are some complications arising to one particular thing. The clarification is there to reply to the query, but ultimately GST Council is where states and the center come together. It's a federal structure. They take decision based on that, and if there are complications arising on particular cases or anything, the rule under the rules they are clarified. So,
okay, Imran Ahmad Ali, the argument is that these rules were always there. It's just a clarification, and also opposition rule states are also part of the committees, the panels, the discussions in the council meetings. Why don't they raise their objections inside the meetings, or have they?
And this way you cannot run a tax structure.
You know, I'll tell you, see, this is an issue which I particularly feel very... So, you know, this is one issue that I feel very strongly about because I'm somebody who really likes my caramel popcorn. But that being said, we need to understand the fact that this brings to light how complicated the whole structure is. Now, when you say that you're going to tax the same product, I disagree with my co-panelist who said that the end product is different. I'm sorry, this is not the end product. The end product is popcorn. However, the difference is in flavor. When you are bringing about such complexities and you say 5%, 12%, 18%, there are flavors which are salted and caramelized at the same time. Now make a 15% for that also because it is half of both. So my purpose is not only to, you know, make fun of the issue and say, oh, it's just, we need to understand that if such a simple thing like popcorn is going to have 3 different slab rates, you are complicating the tax structure and this will further burden, you know, the common populace. If popcorn has to have 3 different slabs, I don't know about other complex issues. I'm drinking a bottle of water. Next, you will tell me that this bottle pH value of this is higher, so this will be higher. pH value of this is lower, so it will be lower. I mean, these are things that the government needs to understand that do not take as criticism. When you are getting selective feedback, where you have complicated an issue, take ahead everyone's opinion and come to a proper solution. And you know, I also feel that taxing, now a clarification was sought in which it was said that this is confectionery. I'm sorry, this is not confectionery. You go to a halwai shop, you will not find popcorn lying next to a laddu or a barfi.